Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for um, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Take only what resonates, guys. Hindi to magre-resonate sa lahat. So, for personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, yan, or sa TikTok. Pwede mo siyang i-search Jing Tarot Reader. Pwede kayong tarot reading sa kanya. And kung gusto mo naman makaranas ng palm reading sa akin, actually hindi ako nagbibigay ng palm reading na palm reading lang talaga. Kasi ang free lang yung palm reading ko kung mag-a-avail ka ng mga crystals bracelets na katulad nito. Examples lang to, pero marami pa yang dyan sa TikTok shop. Search mo na lang, no? Mga crystals bracelets po. Start na natin ng reading. This is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire sign. Okay. You do have your this is the 5 of wands, 5 of cups, 7 of wands. Okay, the devil is here. 3 of swords, Queen of wands, and the Knight of swords. Tapos last card na lumabas is the 5 of swords. Okay, bottom of the deck is the 6 of cups. Inom lang ako saglit, guys. Okay, fire sign. Someone in your past. Very toxic person. Nakikita natin. Ang sobrang nalulungkot ngayon. Sobrang broken-hearted siya. Sobrang nasasaktan siya. I feel like this person pwedeng naudyukan or pwedeng kaibigan yung naging dahilan ng like maybe problem sa inyong dalawa. Maaring umalis or mas pinili nitong taong ito yung kaibigan or ang makinig sa mga kaibigan, or maybe the friend is a third party here. I don't know, but this particular friend ang nagiging dahilan ng problema sa inyo. And maybe yung friend is also the toxic friend kung bakit naging toxic yung person mo or this person in the past. Yeah. And I feel like with the 7 of wands, this is your energy. This is your energy. You're focusing on yourself, kung paano kakayanin lahat ng mga bagay na nakapaligid sa'yo ngayon. Nandito ka nakafocus sa sarili mo kung paano ka mag-grow. I feel like you are a very practical person. Wala ka nang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. Wala ka nang pakialam kung anong mangyari. What I see here is that you are focusing on yourself, on your money, on your career. Nakikita natin yung palaban mong energy. And then this past person is really parang kinakain niya ngayon lahat ng salita niya. Kinakain niya lahat ngayon yung mga sinabi niya. And then this person maaring umiiwas or lumalayo siya. But hindi niya rin alam kung saan siya pupunta eh. The energy here is that yung mga kaibigan or yung kaibigan na kung sino man itong pinalit niya sa'yo is hindi rin naman ganun yung kayang ibalik sa kanya. Like kung siya willing siyang mag-take ng risk or willing siyang sumama dito sa kaibigan na to, maaaring itong kaibigan na to hindi ganun para sa kanya. So, ngayon may pagsisisi itong person na ito sa mga naging desisyon niya at hindi niya rin maintindihan sa sarili niya bakit niya ginawa yun, bakit niya inisip yun, bakit niya pinili yun. The energy of this person is punong-puno ng pagsisisi. Okay? And I feel like this is a personal reading for some of you. Kasi napaka detalyado ng mga messages na nakukuha ko. For fire sign, please. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, you do have here the Ten of Cups, the Temperance, Six of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Cups. Inom lang ako, guys. Okay. I'm feeling like, hindi ko alam kung may pamilya ka ba dito sa taong to, but the energy is that meron kayong pamilya. Maybe connected kayo, tapos someone na sa family mo naging close niya, or naaalala niya, you know, maybe friends, or, yeah, maybe your friend, or tinuring niya kaibigan, or kung hindi man, maybe magulang mo, pwedeng ganun. Or maybe meron kang pamilya dito. Like, there's a family energy here, or a bond, yung yung parang na-develop na samahan dito sa taong to, and dito sa mga taong iniisip niya ngayon na nagiging dahilan ng kalungkutan niya. I feel like pakiramdam niya, hinahanap din siya nitong mga taong ito. I don't know, I can see children, so maybe there's children, or may anak kayo, pwedeng ganun. So, feeling niya, hinahanap din siya nito. So, ito yung nagpapalungkot lalo sa kanya. And then, your energy is that you're waiting. You're waiting. You're being patient here. Hindi ko nakikitang gumagawa ka ng movement towards this connection, but I feel like you're waiting on something or someone, pero mas nakikita natin dito na kaya mo, feeling mo kaya mo at kinakaya mo kung ano man yung mga responsibilidad, kung ano man yung mga nasa paligid mo na parang feeling mo kaya mo naman kahit hindi ka tulungan ng kung sino man. And you do have the Six of Cups. So, this past person, nakakakita tayo ng pagmamasid. Pagmamasid sa'yo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. I feel like kailangan niya ng tulong. Kailangan niya ng tulong, particularly sa mga kaibigan. But, itong mga kaibigan na to, I'm not hearing anything from them. Mas nakukuha ko pa nga na nahihiya siyang lumapit. And then, yung mga taong ito na akala niya tutulong sa kanya, hindi naman siya tinutulungan. Nandyan lang as an advisor, or maybe andyan lang para tumulong sa kanya pag kailangan niya ng kausap. Pero it's not enough na tulong. And maybe nare-realize na tong person na ito na yung pinili kong tao, or mga pinili kong tao ay mali pala, na hindi pala dapat. Maybe nakakakuha siya dito ng kaunting kasayahan, reunion, reconciliation, pero it's not enough para maging masaya siya. Yeah, you do have here the Empress, because itong mga kaibigan na ito na tinutukoy natin dito is the Empress and the King of Swords. Like, they are also focusing sa kanilang sarili. Nakafocus sila sa growth nila, development nila, maybe even their business, their career. Wala silang pakialam dito sa person na ito in the past. Person mo. Okay, wala silang pakialam dito. And then, they see this person as maybe just a friend. Maybe someone na, alam mo, may feeling din na parang pakiramdam nila ang tanga din ng person mo. Diba? You feel like, they feel like malaki yung nawala sa person na ito. Kasalanan niya yon. Kita rin ng mga kaibigan niya na kasalanan niya yon. Nawala yon kasi kasalanan ng person mo. Naging tanga siya. Okay? kahit sila, natatawa sila sa mga ideya niya, sa mga naiisip niya, sa mga desisyon niya sa buhay. Okay? And this, I do feel like yung loyalty, sabihin na nating loyal yung person na ito dito sa mga kaibigan niya. Pero hindi ganun ka-loyal yung mga kaibigan na yon sa kanya. You know what I mean? And now, nagsasuffer siya ngayon sa mga consequences ng mga actions niya. Now, what will happen in the future for the both of you, for this connection, or for you, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius? Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi para sa'yo reading kasi masyadong personal yung nararamdaman ko. I feel like some of you, konti lang, like, konting bilang lang sa inyong makaka-relate. So, what will happen in the future for you? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. In the near future for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, please tell me. The Tower is here. Two of Pentacles is here. You do have here the Queen of Swords. You do have here the Seven of Pentacles. You do have here the Ace of Cups. And at the bottom of the deck is the Four of Cups. I feel like in the future, you're no longer sure. At saka yung, eto ha, isa yung muna. Kasi parehong energy ninyo nakukuha ko dito eh. Hindi ka na sure kung ikaw ba ay, like, kung just in case magkakaroon ng pagbabago, babalik ba tong person na ito, ano pa ang mangyayari. Hindi ka na sure kung tatanggapin mo pa. Kasi na-experience mo na yung feeling nang wala siya. And I feel like with the Two of Pentacles, you do have these priorities. Masyado na nagkaroon ng malaking gap at pagkakagulo. And then, mas nakikita natin na mas magandang magkalayo. Mas maigi pang, parang ang situation is that naranasan mo na, naramdaman mo na parang okay lang, nakayanan mo yung hirap, nakayanan mo, mas mabuti pa nga na nawala na nagkaroon na ng distansya para mas maging balance, mas maging okay. Kasi pag pinilit mong maging magkalapit, magiging may pagod, may hirap, may pagpipilit, and medyo ayaw mo nang maranasan yung ganon. Okay, naranasan mo na yung separation. So, I feel like with the Tower, nagtutuloy-tuloy yung separation sa inyo. Because this is you. This is your choice already. Your choice is to become the Queen of Swords. To become the person na na matalino. Diba? Maaaring in the past, naging tanga ka rin sa person na ito. And in the near future, nakikita natin na nararamdaman mo na yung feeling na wala siya and kaya mo naman pala and that pinangangatawanan mo yung decision or yung mga separation na ito. So, nakikita natin. With the Seven of Pentacles, I can see you earning money and I feel like hindi mo pa siya nararamdaman yung kita. Okay? Pero meron kang makikita. Alam mo yun, nagigets mo. So, I can see na andun yung pagsusumikap mo na i-push ng i-push. I'm seeing investment, I'm seeing business, I'm seeing money na might be in the past, inilagay mo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagdidilig mo, like as katulad ng isang puno, di ba? Parang, I'm feeling like you do have a business here, maybe hindi man ganun kalakihan, but may progress. Nakikita natin na katulad nga ng isang puno, hindi mo naman agad makukuha lahat ng bunga kung hindi mo didiligan, kung hindi mo aalagaan. And this is what you're doing here in the near future. You're focusing on this business, on this career na pinaghihirapan mo. May mga kaunti-kaunti tayong nakikitang inaayos. Yeah, inaayos. Nakakakita din tayo ng okay, sorry about that. Anyway, naputol yung video. I don't know, nagkaroon ng ghost touch sa aking cellphone. But anyway, yan nga. Nakakita tayo dito ng kita na in the future, in the far future, katulad niya ng isang puno, sobra-sobra yung bunga. Alam mo yon, yung to the point na may mga nalalaglag na. Okay? Katulad ng isang puno, 'di ba, pag nagtanim ka ng punong mangga, after couple of years, magiging puno siya, tapos magkakabunga, tapos yung bunga niya, bukod sa meron ng bunga, meron pa yung mga nalalaglag na sobra-sobra. And this is the energy here with the Seven of Pentacles. Hindi mo man agad makita sa ngayon yung pinakabunga, yung pinakalaglag na sinasabi ko, pero in the far future, magbubunga para sa iyo ito. So, very positive ang pinapakita pagdating dito. Especially if you're a self-employed, you're a businessman, businesswoman, or something na may ini-invest. Yeah, I really do like your energy. And then I can see new love coming in here for you. And tell me about this Ace of Cups. This is new love. This is yeah, this is someone who really wants to offer you this cup of love with the Queen of Cups. This person is willing to love you, and that you do have here the Hanged Man. Matagal na siya naghihintay. Itong person na ito wants to offer you this this love with the Ace of Cups. Ayan, and the Knight of Pentacles is here. This is someone who is giving an offer, and this is a new person with the Queen of Cups. It's like kailangan ko ng someone na mamahalin at magmamahal din sa akin. That kind of energy. And ikaw yung nakikita niya. And then this person will come here in the near future, especially feeling niya tapos na talaga kung ano man yung meron sa inyo ni past, nung isang past mo dito. You do have here the 10 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. I feel like itong person na ito, nakikita niya yung mga responsibility in the future. Nakikita niya responsibilidad. But with the 8 of Cups, it doesn't matter. I want to start this new beginning with you with the Ace of Swords. Actually, tatlong ace. Dalawa lang pala, no? I know, kanina pala is nagpakita is the Ace of Pentacles, kaya lang nasa bottom of the deck yun kanina, no? Nung shuffle ko na wala na siya. But anyway, tatlong aces, which that signifies 111, that's new beginning for you with a new person. And itong person na ito could be your soulmate, could be the one that is meant for you. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.